Hey guys, so yeah, today we are unboxing the SuperThings Rescue Force Kazoom Kids, or as the advert say, Kazoom Kids. I am really excited. As you can see, you can order off from Amazon and they will arrive in, I think, 3 days, as you can see. Here is the box. And there we go. That is the good box of Kazoom Kids. As you can see, SuperThings Rescue Force. Now, he said Monday or earlier, but it said it should arrive in 3 days, but we got it next day delivery, and we didn't order Amazon Prime, so don't know how that works. I think it must have been a SuperZing interference. But anyways, oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh, sorry about that. Who should we go for first? We'll go with Funfire first. Look at that. Wow. It's a bit shadowy. How's my brightness? I could really do that. See everything okay? Oh, there we go. Now you can see him. Now where's the open sesame? Oh, this should come with Bernado as well. Here is the bag, and if I can open it, well, there's his weapon. Oh my gosh, that really is metallic armor, alright. He's also metallic himself, which is quite strange. Look at that. That is cool. Yeah, I'll get his weapon on in a minute. And the Bernado should be in here. Oh, there he is. Okay, we'll go with what's his name? Starlock next, which is where I get Lockster, which is actually one I need. We'll go with Lockster first. And it is him in blue. Oh, he looks better or worse than I thought. I'm not sure, but he looks cool, right? How metallic is the armor on this? Oh, that's cool. And we have got now the shield. Okay. Who will we go for next? We'll go with what's his name? Watermax. Yeah. Oh, okay. Here is fire out, and this is Watermax if it wants to come open. Oh, he's got a glove. Normally the gloves are permanently attached. And yep, he has got metallic armor. These are metallic because the Kazoom Kids are metallic as well, which I think is quite cool. Yeah, there he is. We'll go with Toolkit with young Joe, who did actually appear on the cartoons at one point. Okay, we'll go with young Joe first, probably the yellow version. Yep, the young Joe. And Toolkit, who is apparently a girl. Open sesame! A lot of them have shields this series. Oh, this one is one that has gold armor. Oh, I really like this. Ugh. They've done like sort of tie-dye thing with a cape. That's weird. Got gold armor, nice. We'll go with Cashillion now. Where's his open sesame thing? There it is. Oh, where's the Kazoom? This should be money more. Oh, is it the green version? It's the green version. Cool. I need that. Open! And this should be Cashillion. What was that? Oh, that's Jackals. Oh, where's his magnet? There it is. here. Out in the garden of all places. Oh my gosh, that's really cool. Clearly haven't done anything like that before. You can like pinch his weapon. And there's Cashillion. Next up, now finally, I've saved Break Mania till last. Since it appears he's only got one pupil, which is in his eye, which is weird. It's not natural. I don't even know if it's possible. It probably is, because we live in a weird world. This is definitely a duplicate, because they're both colours, and it's the yellow version of the in there. Now for Break Mania. Ugh. You can actually order these off Amazon. Yep, he only has one pupil, as you can see. And his weapon. There we go. I guess here's the box that you'll find them in. There. That's the that. And then the underneath is... Yeah, it's pretty bright, to say the least. The checklist here, I guess. Because that's how Starlock became a Kazoom Kid. Although I'm pretty sure if you have a comic, you'll be able to know all this already, because it shows it in one of the pages. This early... Who is this? Oh, it's a Break Mania. Okay, yeah. I think I might try and get their weapons on now. Okay. Can I? Why are they so much stiffer this year? That's weird. There we go. Toolkit. Starlock here. Please attach your weapon. Well, it's actually a defense thing, but you know what I mean. Do they actually even call it that? Do they call it? No, it's called an accessory. Because weapon, oh no, we can't put that. There we go. Break Mania already has his weapon in. I really like Break Mania though. Cashillion with his... Reminds me of Sir Killbot from the Wars. Please attach. There we go. He can clamp onto things. Watermax, he already has his weapon on. Now we have to do fun for you. Here it is. Oh my gosh, he's fun for you. Here we go. The metallics they came with: Fire Out, Bernado, Money More, Break Mania. No, that's Real Max. Young Joe, Starlock, who I actually needed. Yeah, I think that's it pretty much. I also needed this colour of Money More, but I have it. But the rest I think will do. Anyway, that is it for this video. Bye guys!